Well, hi there. Here we are at the Discovery Park in Hahndorf. We've been staying here for a couple of nights and it's just truly amazing. We had dinner last night at the German Arms, which was a beautiful old sandstone building. It was just beautiful and the food was delicious and there was an open fireplace and everything. It was just amazing. We've also spent time in town. There's all these gorgeous buildings. It's the right time of the year to visit because all the leaves have turned and of course are falling and they're all beautiful colours. Tonight we're going to have dinner at the Hahndorf Hotel, another gorgeous sandstone building, very historic, beautiful fireplaces, and there's even, a deer's head hanging over the fireplace, which is, a bit shocking but suits everything. Where we're staying here at the Discovery Park is beyond amazing. The facilities are fantastic. We're staying in a cabin, but it's just definitely 5-star. And then around the park there are gorgeous things like the camp kitchen with a lovely bar sort of area so that you can watch the sunset. There is an activities room that's got all these great arcade games and things like that, and just generally it's just beautiful, well maintained grounds and just a short walking distance into town, which we haven't done quite yet, but it is very accessible, of course. We're really enjoying our time here. It's just such a beautiful part of the world. I understand why so many people come. Every morning we've been having coffee at this gorgeous, again, old worldy sandstone building. Very German, thank goodness, because every morning with the coffee we're having pretzels and we're sitting by the open fireplace. Truly amazing. I'm going to miss it already. We're off tomorrow to Kangaroo Island, but we'll definitely be coming back here very soon.